What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy. So I bought a monitor online from Amazon for around 100 bucks. Yes, 100 US dollar. You heard me right. A portable Full HD 1080p USB-C and HDMI monitor. The brand is called HONGO. Yeah, let me just open it and then demonstrate to you what's coming in the box. Okay, is this the monitor? Wow, I'm really liking the fabric. Yeah, I'm really liking the cover. Okay, we get a free screen protector. Maybe this one is for the protection. Wow, I mean this monitor is super thin. I'm amazed. I'm amazed by the thinness of this monitor. Wow. Wow, I mean, like I can, wow, I can even hang like this. The case is super thin. Personally, wow. No one is paying me for this review. As you know, I'm a big critic. I criticize everything. Wow. I don't know how good is the monitor quality is going to turn out, but first impression, wow. Wow. It's super thin. It's super slim. It's super lightweight. When I'm done, I can close, isn't it? Wow. So in the box, you get a charger, USB-C to USB-C, HDMI to mini, HDMI, yeah, and then USB-A to USB-C. Let me just connect this one. Yeah, maybe I'm going to bring it to my workplace and connect it. Let's go to my workplace. So now here is the monitor. I'm going to turn it on and connect. Okay, here we go. I'm going to install the screen protector later. So first let me put the monitor here. Maybe like this, okay, and then let me just try to connect it. First I'm going to connect using the USB-C. Okay, here's the USB-C. Here we go. Yeah, okay, this one. Let me just connect using the USB-C first. Let's see, can my laptop power? My laptop is like a $3,000 laptop, OLED laptop, Aero Gigabyte Aero 15 OLED version. Okay, let me just connect with my laptop port. As you can see, here we go, and then let me just connect here. Okay, can we power? We need to connect at this port, this one, if you wanna use the power in port. If it cannot connect, I will be using the DC private charger to see. Let's see it's working or not. Wow, it's working. Wow, it's working. Okay, like I don't know what to say. It's literally working, to be honest with you. As you can see, I even didn't use any. Even I have like extra USB-C. Wow, it's working. Can you see? It's working. Wow, like it's plug and play. But before that, I wanna give you my honest opinion on it. I'm very happy that it's working quite nice. But first, let me show you the setting. Click this button for the setting, yeah, and then from here we can control the backlight. The backlight address 5. Okay, let me click again. So we can increase the backlight as we want. Okay, I'm sorry. My friend, will you please wait 1 minute? Hello? Yeah, will you please wait 1 minute? I'm just making a video. Okay, 1 minute. So okay, I put my friend on the hold. Let me press this one. Okay, from here we go up, contrast. So yeah, I mean, you can mess with setting. There's, I mean, a lot of this setting. So I'm very happy. This is my first impression. I'm very much happy with my purchase. It's an amazing value for money. I mean, I'm very happy with my monitor. Literally 10 out of 10 star. Is literally plug and play. Let me show you. I can change the, so I wanna change the display of LCD. So like I'm at the duplicate, I can extend. Yeah, so now it's extended. I mean, this is very beautiful, amazing 15-inch monitor. I love it. It was me, G Magic. Subscribe and bye.